shadows where we've wandered, lost in echo, hearts are torn asunder. You stepped in, the light that breaks the night, a crown of thorns for our wrongs, you made them right. Jesus, you died for us. In your arms we find our trust. Through the pain, you showed the way. In your love we rise each day. The nails that pierce, the weight that bore, you held our burdens and opened heaven's door. Through every...
How are you, Papa? Dumalaw lang ako. Dinalaw lang kita, Father. Hi, Father. I just visited you. We came from America, USA. I miss you, Papa. I won't be where I am right now if it's not because of you. Everything I am right now, that's because of you, Papa. So I miss my Papa. So guys, this is how it looks like. Guys, I'm here in Libingan na mga Bayani. That's Tagalog, but in English that's the grave or the tomb of the heroes of the Philippines. They're considered heroes because they are soldiers of the Philippines. They sacrificed their lives of saving other lives. So guys, I just visited my father here and I'm happy because I was able to see him, to visit him and remember the past when he died and when we brought him here. Yeah, that's really sad because he was not able to see, me being successful. He was not there. He was there all the time when I was having struggles in my education, when I was nothing, and then he died, and then after that I was able to go to the America, and I owe everything from my father because I remember when I was still studying nursing, he always bring me to school and then bring me back home. Even if I'm already old or I'm already an adult, he go to my school to pick me up and bring me home. He's really a sweet father, very caring. And so guys, see, that's it, guys.
Upon my shoulders, growing heavier each day. My voice is barely holding as I try to find my way. When all my strength has faded and I can't see through my tears, Holy Father, hear my call tonight. Give me strength to make it through. Alright.
walls are closing in now. My faith begins to shake. I'm on my knees and somehow I feel my spirit break. Holy Father, hear my call tonight. Give me strength to make it through. Alright, oh yeah.
Listen close, my child, I've been here all along. Through every trial and struggle, I've kept you strong. Every tear you've cried, I've caught them in my hand. When you thought you couldn't walk, I helped you stand. My love surrounds you like a shielded light. I'll guide your footsteps through the darkest night. Trust in me and watch your spirit soar. I'll be a shelter in this raging storm. When I'm weak, I'll make you strong. Love is all I need to carry. Lifts me higher above every fear.
Hi guys, I'm here right now where the former President Marcos tomb is located. Ferdinand President Marcos of the Philippines is located and was buried. See guys. Here is his tomb. Here guys. See? Former President Ferdinand Marcos. Oh wow. Oh, so big. Big place. See? He's good looking and handsome. And he was still young. That's Ferdinand Marcos. That's his signature.
In the dark, I couldn't breathe, reaching out but couldn't see. All alone, or so I thought. Every breath, every fight I fought, but you were there. When I was falling, when I was calling, you heard every word I said, even the words in my head. You heard every prayer. When I didn't think you cared. Through my weakness, through my pain, you heard every prayer. You heard every prayer. I was never alone. On my knees, tears streaming down, felt so far from holy ground. But your love broke through my fear, showed me you were always near, right beside me.
promises before your first breath. Been watching over you, guiding every step. When you thought you were drowning, I was your lifeline. Every cry in the midnight, I made it alright. You alone, never turn away. Heard every single word you tried to say. My love ain't conditional, it's eternal, it's true. Everything you went through, I went through. I understand.
I hear you calling, now I can see. Your grace is falling, now I believe. You never left me, now I complete. You always kept me. You heard every prayer. When I didn't think you cared. Prayer, I was never alone. You heard every prayer.